Hello, Namaskara. Welcome to Tech Girl Kannada YouTube channel.
Now we'll start solving this problem. Let a be 1, 2, 3, 4. Determine whether its functions or not. Let f be the 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 1 and everything. Here we have to draw the function diagram, domain and range. 2 is mapped to 3 as well as 1. So 2 is having the two images, which is not a function. Then for G we have 1 is having 4, 3 is also having 4. 4 is having 3 pre-images, that is 1, 3 and 4. It is possible. And the range is 1, 4. For this, G is a function. Domain 1, 2, 3, 4. Codomain also 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the range is 1, 4. Let A is equals to 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3. Let's consider the function A of real numbers, where it is by f of x is equals to x cube minus 2x square plus 3x plus 1, where x belongs to A. Find range of f. A equals to 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3 for this. In place of x, we have to substitute everything by these numbers. Considering 0, we will get 1. Considering 1, f of 1, 1 cube minus 2 into 1, 1 minus 2 plus 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5, minus 2 is 3. In the same way, for f of minus 1, we will get minus 5. And f of 2 is 7, minus 21, 19, minus 33. And range r equals to minus 53, minus 21, minus 5, 1, 3, 7, 19. Let A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and B equals to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If a function f as from A to B is defined by f 1, 7, 2, 7, 3, 8, 4, 6, 5, 9 and 6, 9. You have determined that f inverse of 6 and f inverse of 9. So then if b1 equals to 7, 8 and b2 equals to 8, 9, 10, find f inverse of b1, f inverse of b2. So we have the formula as f inverse of b equals to x belongs to A, f of x equals to b. So f inverse of 6, that is x belongs to A. X belongs to A, f of x equals to 6. Where is the f of x is 6? For 4. It is 6. Then f inverse of g will be x belongs to A, f of x equals to b. So that is given as 9, f of x equals to 9. Where is it is 9? For 5 and 6. We have to write 5, 6. Then for b1 equals to 7, 8. We have to find f inverse of b1. So f of x of 7. f of x of 7 is 1 comma 2. F of x of 8 is 3. So f inverse of b1 is 1, 2 and 3. Then for b2 we have 8, 9, 10. For f of x of 8 is 3. F of x of 9 is 9. For 5 comma 6. F of x is 10. No pre-image. Then f inverse of b square b2 equals to 3, 5, 6. Check for f of x equals to x square as a homework. Let f is the function from R to R defined by f of x equals to 3x minus 5 for x greater than 0 and minus 3x plus 1 for x less than or equal to 0. Determine, this is an important question, f of 0 comma f of minus 1, f of 5 by 3, f of minus 5 by 3. Find f inverse of 0, f inverse of 1, f inverse of minus 1 and everything like this. They have given two things. For x greater than 0 it is 3x minus 5 and for x less than or equal to 0 minus 3x plus 1. For f of 0 we have to find. For that, in place of x we have to do 0. What is for x equal to 0? F of x is minus 3x plus 1. So minus 3 into 0 plus 1. Then for f of minus 1 it is less than or equal to 0 only. So for that also x equal to minus 1 less than or equal to 0 is minus 3x plus 1. So f of minus 1 is minus 3 into minus 1 plus 1, that is 4. F of 5 by 3, what they have asked us to find? F of 5 by 3. F of 5 by 3 is x equals to 5 by 3 is greater than 0 is 3x minus 5. 3, then 5 minus 5 is 0. So f of 5 by 3 we got it as 0. But f of minus 5 by 3, what we will get? For f of minus 5 by 3, x is equals to minus 5 by 3. It is less than 0. We have to put the formula minus 3x plus 1. So that is equal to minus 4. Then the next question is find f inverse of 0, f inverse of 1 and so on. For this f inverse of 0, where the x belongs to a, f of x equals to 0. This we need to find. Let us consider f of x is 0. So let us consider the two conditions where the x is greater than 0, x is less than or equal to 0. F of x equals to 3x minus 5. F of x we have taken it as 0. 0 equals to 3x minus 5, so x equals to 5 by 3. Whether it is greater than 0? Yes, it is. For x less than or equal to 0, f of x equals to minus 3x plus 1. 0 equals to minus 3x plus 1, x equals to 1 by 3. So we have to take this f inverse of 0 equals to the together we have to take this. Then for f inverse of 1, we have x belongs to a, f of x equals to 1. X is greater than 0 and x is less than or equal to 0. For this actually we have to take only the 5 by 3. Here there have made some mistake. Since it is not less than or equal to 0, 1 by 3 it is greater than 0. So it can't be taken. But here in f inverse of 1, 3x minus 5, 1 equals to 3x minus 5. For x is greater than 0, x is 2. Yes, it is allowed. For x less than or equal to 0, minus 3x plus 1. Minus 3x plus 1. So we will have this as 0. X is equals to 0. Then f inverse of minus 1, for x belongs to a, f of x equals to minus 1, we will have x greater than 0, x less than or equal to 0, f of x equals to 3x minus 5 minus 1 equals to 3x minus 5. That will give you 4 by 3 and this will give you 2 by 3. If our f inverse of 1 is 4 by 3 comma 2 by 3, then for f inverse of minus 6, you will have x belongs to a, f of x equals to minus 6. For both of them you will find but for this from minus 5 to 5, what you will do is x belongs to r, f of x belongs to minus 5 to 5. So minus 5 less than or equal to f of x less than or equal to 5. So if for f greater than 0, we will take 3x minus 5 less than or equal to 0 minus 3x plus 5. So we will have here as minus 5, 3x minus 5, then 5. So add 5 on both the sides to remove 5 in the middle. So we removed it, 0 less than or equal to 3x less than or equal to 5. Then divide 3 to remove 3 from the 3x and then to make it x only. So 0 less than or equal to 3 less than or equal to 5 by 3. For this as well, f of x equals to minus 3x plus 1 minus 5 minus 3x plus 1. Subtract 1 on both the sides. So it will become minus x, here it is 4 and divided by minus 3. So it becomes 4 by 3. If we divide by minus 3, it will become some different value. So let us keep minus as it is and then divide by 3 throughout. You will get minus 2 minus x and 4 by 3. So if we remove the minus sign, then we will get it as minus 4 by 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. In the same way we have to do for minus 6 comma 5. For x greater than 0, 3x minus 5. For this minus 3x plus 1. That is f of x belongs to minus 6 comma 5, which implies that minus 6 less than or equal to 3x minus 5 less than or equal to 5. Then adding 5 on both the sides, for this we will get minus 1, 3x less than or equal to 10. Then dividing it by 3, we will get minus 1 by 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 10 by 3. In the same way, for this we have f of x equals to minus 3x plus 1 minus 6 less than or equal to minus 3x plus 1 less than or equal to 5. Minus 1 throughout, subtract 1 throughout. For that we will get minus 7, then minus 3x less than or equal to 4. Minus 7 by 3 less than or equal to minus x less than or equal to 4. Then it becomes minus 4 by 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 7 by 3. This completes this problem.